Welcome to a new era of oral care with the Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, a masterpiece from a trusted brand that's revolutionizing the way we clean our teeth. This sophisticated toothbrush is engineered to provide an exceptional cleaning experience, offering 100% more plaque removal in just 1 week and up to 4 times more along the gum line compared to a manual brush. That's according to the manufacturer, of course. One of the standout features is its ability to deliver whiter teeth. With the iO dentist-inspired round brush head, it effectively removes surface stains, promising brighter smiles from day one. This electric toothbrush for adults is designed for optimal performance, ensuring a superior clean over a regular manual toothbrush. Personalization is at the heart of this toothbrush's design. With iO Sense, you receive real-time coverage, time, and pressure guidance directly via the charger, without even needing to open the Oral-B app. This means a more tailored clean, every time. Convenience is another key aspect. The charging travel case and 3H fast charger ensure you can brush conveniently on the go. The display always tracks your battery level, so you're never caught off guard. This travel electric toothbrush is perfect for those who are always on the move. Gum protection is another vital feature. The iO pressure sensor signals if you brush too hard, too soft, or just right, ensuring an effective and safe clean. This battery toothbrush for adults guarantees a safe brushing experience. Switching to this Oral-B electric toothbrush comes with peace of mind, thanks to a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're not fully satisfied, you can return it without any hassle. Now, let's hear from some real users. One customer, who has been using Oral-B products for years and has sensitive teeth and areas of gum recession, found the iO 10 to be a game-changer. They appreciated the feedback from the Oral-B app on their iPhone, which helped them improve their brushing technique and maintain healthy teeth and gums. Another customer, who initially had issues with the toothbrush not connecting to the internet and the travel case being difficult to open, found solutions to these problems and now loves the clean feeling it provides. They believe the price is justified for the quality of the product. To use this toothbrush, simply charge it using the provided 3H fast charger and the charging travel case. When brushing, follow the pressure sensor's guidance to ensure a safe, effective clean. Don't forget to rinse the handle and toothbrush head as directed in the user manual to maintain optimal performance. While this toothbrush offers numerous benefits, it's important to note that like any electronic device, it requires proper care and handling. The manufacturer recommends keeping it away from direct sunlight and moisture to ensure its longevity. In conclusion, if you're looking for a top-tier electric toothbrush that delivers an outstanding cleaning experience, offers personalized guidance, and is convenient for travel, the Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush is an excellent choice. Embrace the future of oral care today.